Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor team performance in Clickup using the built-in workload view. This feature is extremely useful if you manage projects, oversee multiple employees, or simply want a clearer understanding of how work is distributed across your team. Instead of manually checking assignments one by one, Workload View gives you a visual overview of who is overloaded, who has available capacity, and where adjustments may be needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and use Workload View to improve productivity and keep projects running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your Clickup account and navigate to the space, folder, or list where your team's tasks are managed. It's important to open the correct workspace section because Workload View only tracks the tasks located inside that specific area. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen and click the Add View button. A list of available views will appear. You'll usually see options like List, Board, Calendar, Timeline, Gantt, and Workload. From the menu, select Workload. After the view loads, Clickup will display your team members along a timeline. This layout helps you quickly understand how tasks are distributed across the team. You'll immediately be able to identify who has too much work assigned, who has extra availability, and where responsibilities may be unevenly balanced. Next, adjust the timeline settings. At the top of the workload view, you can switch between daily, weekly, and monthly layouts depending on how detailed you want your tracking to be. Daily view works well for fast-moving teams, weekly view is useful for sprint planning, and monthly view helps with long-term scheduling and forecasting. Now let's make sure the data is accurate. For Workload View to function properly, your team members need to be added correctly to Clickup and tasks should already be assigned to the right people. It's also a good idea to include time estimates on tasks whenever possible. Without estimates, workload calculations may only reflect task counts instead of actual effort. Clickup also allows workload tracking based on sprint points, custom fields, or other effort measurements depending on your workflow. This flexibility is especially helpful for agile teams or departments with specialized project tracking systems. Once everything is set up, review the workload indicators carefully. If someone appears overloaded, you can rebalance work by reassigning tasks, adjusting deadlines, or distributing responsibilities more evenly across the team. Likewise, if another team member appears underutilized, you can assign them additional work to improve efficiency. One important habit is revisiting Workload View regularly. Team priorities and deadlines change constantly, so checking workload distribution every week can help prevent burnout and keep projects on schedule. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can monitor team performance in Clickup more effectively, balance workloads with greater accuracy, and make smarter project management decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.